Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making sweet and sour chicken. Of course, you know this one from your local Chinese takeout, the crispy chicken in delicious sauce. Who can resist? So let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, we will need 1 pound of chicken breast, or you can use chicken thighs, some bell pepper and half onion. We will start by marinating and coating the chicken, and then deep fry the chicken. And the last step will be stir fry everything together. To marinate the chicken, I'm using 1 teaspoon of cooking wine, half teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 egg white. We will use egg yolk later. Mix them very well and set it aside to marinate for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we will make the deep fry coating. In a large mixing bowl, we will add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of water, and the 1 egg yolk. Mix everything together. And once we reach a very smooth consistency, we will pour the cornstarch mixture into the chicken marinade. And mix everything together. Make sure that every chicken piece is covered with cornstarch mixture. And before deep fry, we will also add some oil. This way it will make the coating very crispy. And now we will make the delicious sweet and sour sauce. We will start with 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix everything together and set it aside. And now we have everything to start cooking. First, we will deep fry the chicken in medium hot oil, which is going to be around 320 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. And take them out. Now bring the oil to 400 degrees and deep fry everything together for 1 minute. You will see them turn golden brown color. The second time really make the chicken very crispy. Now take them out and we are ready to stir fry everything. In the wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the onion. Stir fry for about 1 minute and toss in the pepper. Only stir fry for 30 seconds. We can pour in the sweet and sour sauce. Once the sauce becomes nice and thickened, we will add in the fried chicken. Toss everything together until the sauce is evenly covered all chicken pieces. Now it's time to enjoy. Smell is so good. Chicken is crispy outside but juicy inside, and the sauce is just so delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I will see you in the next one.